What up, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well, and welcome back to another frosty day in February. Hulk is halfway out the garage. We're going to be doing the install in there where the lighting is nice and it's slightly warmer where we're not in the wind. But anyway, this awesome company called GogoCarbon, I'll have everything in the description so you guys can check them out. They reached out to me and they sent me a freaking dope little package. And this package is right here from the unboxing, from the time lapse you saw. These are carbon fiber end cap overlays or covers. These go right above your exhaust in the back of the car. And look at the weave on this thing. This thing is beautiful. Guys, in the box, they have the overlays. It was packaged very, very nicely. They have a little thank you card, and they even have some installation tips. And pretty much for installation, it'll pretty much tell you, make sure you clean the surface that you're gonna have to stick the product on, allow it time to dry so it can adhere. On the back of it, you have your 3M tape right here that they send with it. If you have your own 3M tape, that's fine too if you want, if you trust that more. But we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it sticks on properly. I have 3M tape. That's not really a big deal for me. But this is a really, really nice presentation. I love how this gloss looks, man. It's gonna look badass in the back of the Hulk, definitely, for sure. Anyway, guys, they have a really dope Amazon store. As I said, their stuff is gonna be in the description, and so you can check them out. All right, I'll talk to y'all soon. All right, guys, I got my trusty garage light right here, so you guys can definitely see. Everything has been cleaned and wiped. Most definitely dried. Now, guys, if I forget to mention it, these are for the 15 to 19 WRX STI, and look how beautiful that goes on there. It's only one way it can go on, guys, so you can't really mix it up. And it fits perfectly even with the aftermarket diffuser. Look how beautiful that looks, man. So, guys, all I gotta do now is literally just peel the backing off, stick it on, and you're straight. That's it. All right, guys, so look how beautiful that shit looks. Oh man, that's hard right there. All right, guys, once you stick it, what I was doing, since it's cold outside, what I did was I used my heat gun just to warm up the parts so the adhesive can definitely adhere to the surface better. Remember, a lot of things stick better in warmer areas. That's like when I was doing my roof spoiler. I did it in an enclosed garage in the warmth. You don't want to do this stuff in the cold. It will not stick properly and it's gonna fall off, and you don't want to be wasting your money on this, on the price that this stuff costs. Obviously, guys, don't put the heat gun close to it. You're just letting the warm air blow on it just to warm up the surface. That's all you're doing. You're warming up the surface. But yo, that shit looks freaking fire. It looks beautiful, man. Got all the freaking surfaces. Look how dope that shit looks, man. Love it. Love it. Guys, let me just do the other side real quick, and I'm gonna take it out of the garage so you can see it without a light in broad daylight, all right? Thanks. All right, guys. We outside. Look how that shit looks. Beautiful. I left it idling so that the exhaust can warm up the entire bracket, so the adhesion, it'll definitely promote the adhesion. Guys, also, if you have some adhesion promoter, you can definitely use that on the back of the product as well. So at least you know everything is reinforced. Look how beautiful that carbon looks, man. I definitely got some pictures at the end of this video so you can see how beautiful it looks. Guys, you know what to do. Definitely like, subscribe, comment. Check out my description. You can check out GogoCarbon's products on Amazon. So you can't go wrong. If they're on Amazon, you can't go wrong. I'm a huge Amazon fan. I spend a lot of money there. All right, guys, it's Brick. This is my time. I'll see y'all soon. Check out GogoCarbon. Be well. Take it easy.